All right, so I'm guessing we're live now. So a very good evening to all of you guys who are watching right now. I'm not sure how many, but I don't think the numbers will be very high at this point of time because it's the absolute first time going on live. Okay, so the reason that I'm live on this platform right now is to introduce to you the new expansion that I've been working on prior to this MCO, and I wanted to launch it before the MCO started, but unfortunately, things happen for a reason, I guess. And since the MCO is being lifted, I'm actually going to announce the expansion now. So most of you guys would have got a message from me or seen it on social media about the Greyhound Investment Agency. Okay, so this agency consists of two people. So it's me and Jagdev, and obviously it's a very tiny agency at this point of time, but we do wish grow it at a significant level to fight, to at least stand at par with some of the really huge mammoths out there. Okay, so now in my last post I said I'll explain why Greyhound. Okay, so I'm going to quickly pull out some slides and I'm going to share with you. All right, just give me a second here. The whole logic behind the name. Okay. All right. So maybe very briefly, for those who don't know what I do, is I'm actually an investment advisor with Manulife. I have been doing this for the last 2 years, and I have close to very close, a few tens of thousands away from having a 2 million asset size under my management. I am rather happy with my progress right now, and yeah, so that's it. So 2 million asset size in a close to 2 years. Yeah, I'm quite happy. So I think I've got this slides up. Let me see if I can pop it up here on the screen. It's not happening yet. Give me a second. So hold on. No, it disappeared. Okay, sorry guys, still new to this live stream, this whole live stream thing. Okay, so I'm hoping you see the screen that I want you to see right now, which is the Greyhound logo. Ta-da! Okay, so basically this is the simple logo that I created. Greyhound Investments. It's an agency within Manulife. Again, it's set up by myself and also Jagdev, who is currently working with me. So now, to go through this whole how we came about the name, I need to tell you a small story. Okay, so the story starts with a cheetah. So as we all know, the cheetah is one of the fastest animal that on land, at least. All right. So the cheetah has got some amazing speed. Apparently, it can hit up to 120 kilometers per hour. Okay, and now you might ask me, why? What's the cheetah got to do with the whole story now? You know, look, we're a Greyhound, not cheetah agency. So let me tell you now. Okay, so did you know that though the cheetah is the fastest animal on land, the Greyhound. Okay, hold on. Let me rephrase this. Okay, so no doubt that the cheetah's top speed is 120 kilometers per hour, and the Greyhound is the fastest dog. Okay, and it can run up to 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. So if you put these two animals on a 100-meter sprint, no doubt the cheetah will beat the Greyhound by far. You know, but now this is where the inspiration came from. Okay, so while the cheetah is the fastest land animal, it can only sustain its top speed for less than half a kilometer. Very short span. And meanwhile, the Greyhound can run at its top speed for more than 10 kilometers. Now, isn't that astonishing? We never knew this, but if you put the Greyhound and the cheetah in a long race, the Greyhound will beat the cheetah because the cheetah doesn't have the stamina to sustain its top speed. Hence, why the relevance of unit trust. So the relevance of unit trust and the Greyhound is Similarly to the Greyhound, the unit trust business, the unit trust investment business is a long-term business. And if you don't have the strength, the mental strength, you don't have the stamina to pursue your end goal, which is a long-term goal, you will probably fall off in between. Hence why the Greyhound, the attributes of the Greyhound, I believe is very similar to the business of the unit trust, where you will need long-term commitment to the product, you will need long-term monitoring, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's basically how we got the name. Okay, and with that, I'd like to maybe quickly invite you for a cup of coffee. Definitely not now. Places are not open yet. After the MCO, unless of course you'd like to invite me to your homes, which I'll be more than happy or obliged to come and have a coffee with you guys and run through what I do and share with you a couple of ideas, the strategies, and how we make this investment worthwhile for you to meet your objectives and get this sorted out for you. Okay, so that's my very brief live presentation. I hope you guys are happy with it, and maybe I'll show my face now. Hold on, stop share. So yeah, so that was my very brief presentation about how we came up with the name, and I will continue to do some different live videos on different topics so that we can yeah, just educate each other and hopefully grow together. Okay, so for now that is it, and I wish to hear from you guys soon. All right, do drop some comments at the bottom and give me some ideas to improve or whatever not, and I wish to see you guys soon. All right, so take care and good night.